Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to undo or unplait passion twist. I have seen a lot of people making a mistake when unplaiting passion twist, but today I have brought you that secret because you have to protect your client's hair from being cut. So just stick with me and see the most safe way of undoing passion twist. Most people just cut, but remember I don't know how long her hair is. Maybe for me I know because she's my model. I've been working on her hair, I know how long it is. But a client might move into your salon and they want to undo or unplait their hair. So what are you going to do? Look here. You're going to first undo one strand. You don't have to cut. First undo one strand to see where exactly your hair ends. Hope you can see this. I have undone one strand. This implies that a hair ends here. A hair ends here. So it means, but you don't have to just cut, because now what you're going to do is we are going to cut these strands, but you don't have to cut exactly where the hair ends. You have to leave some inches, like around here, to be on the safe side. Most people don't know this, and there's another thing I want you to learn. Just stick with me on this video as I undo our hair.